If you're seeing a Beehiiv authentication error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step so you can get back into your account and keep working without the frustration. This is a simple troubleshooting guide that covers the most common causes, from login issues to browser problems and account verification. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. The first thing to do is refresh the Beehiiv page. Sometimes the error is caused by a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh is all it takes to reconnect properly. If the page still shows an authentication problem, the next step is to log out of your Beehiiv account completely. Once you've signed out, wait a few seconds, then log back in using the correct credentials. Make sure you're entering the right email and password, especially if you have multiple accounts or use a password manager. If logging back in doesn't solve it, check that your email address is verified. Beehiiv may block access or trigger an authentication error if your account email hasn't been confirmed yet. Go to your inbox and look for the verification email from Beehiiv, then click the confirmation link if you haven't already. If you can't find it, check your spam or promotions folder as well. Next, reset your password if needed. If there's any chance your password is outdated, mistyped, or no longer working, use the password reset option and create a new secure password. After resetting it, try signing in again with the updated credentials. This often clears up hidden login issues that cause authentication failures. Now let's move to browser-related fixes. Clear your browser cache and cookies because stored data can sometimes conflict with Beehiiv's login session and trigger repeated errors. After clearing that data, reopen Beehiiv and try again. If the issue continues, open Beehiiv in an Incognito window. This is a great test because Incognito Mode loads the site without using most saved browser data, so it can help you figure out whether the problem is caused by cache, cookies, or something else in your browser. If you're still stuck, disable browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or password managers that may interfere with Beehiiv's sign-in process. Some extensions can prevent authentication cookies or login scripts from loading correctly. Also, if you're using a VPN, disable it temporarily. Beehiiv may flag unusual traffic or block login attempts from certain VPN servers, so testing without it can quickly tell you if that's the issue. Another important step is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt authentication requests and make it seem like Beehiiv is broken when it's really just a network problem. Try loading another website, switching networks, or restarting your router if needed. After that, verify that your account is active. If your account was suspended, paused, or otherwise restricted, you may not be able to authenticate properly until that's resolved. Finally, if nothing has worked so far, try a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, test Beehiiv in Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Sometimes the issue is specific to one browser, and switching over is the fastest way to get access again. And if the error still appears after all of these steps, it may be worth reaching out to Beehiiv support with details about what you've already tried. So to recap, the best way to fix a Beehiiv authentication error is to refresh the page, log out and back in, verify your email, reset your password if needed, clear cache and cookies, try Incognito Mode, disable extensions, turn off your VPN, check your connection, confirm your account is active, and test a different browser. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.